have the same approach. And since the scope is same, let us quickly go for all the points.
Chairman, I want to ask one question because
we have to be little sincere and active participation.
Yeah, Chairman, sorry. As built, I've not seen the word as built in this phase.
Babalo, your voice is very low. Your voice is very low.
I don't know. I'm trying my best to.
Probably you're hungry.
I've done everything, but I don't know why it's still low. Is it better now?
Yeah, now better, yeah.
Okay. So I'm saying there's one point that has to do with as built, but I've not seen it. That's why I'm surprised. Is there no point that says as built in this?
What? I could not clearly listen to. Hear that.
I said that there is one guide word that has to do with as built.
Again, I'm not hearing it because there is a I don't know.
Your voice is missing.
It is here in item number 2.4.
Hello?
Oh, what is the concern? What is the concern?
As built documentation. As built documentation.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is here in 2.4.
No, it's covered.
Yeah. And this will also come here. As built will come here in PHSER 5. In 5.
Yeah, I know it will come in 5 also. So that's why I'm asking. Where is the as built? Have we done anything on as built?
Yeah, see, it is here. No, it is here. Don't worry. It is here. It will come here. So, Bablu, let us go through this one, and we will have this point.
Okay.
I hope you are able to see it.
Okay. Because it's supposed to be in 4 also. That's why I'm asking this question. Okay, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. So, guys, let us quickly go for this point. To confirm that action from PHSER 4, construction phase. Since we have done the PHSER 4 now, so probably we will see the points one by one. We see review the status of action on findings for the previous stage PHSER. So we are keeping the PHSER 3 only, and we'll say PHSER 4, PHSER